As discussed earlier, the Philippine Air Force plans to obtain additional medium tactical air transport, part of the Phase 2 Horizon Priority Project under the RAFPMP. There are 3 medium tactical transport aircraft options for the Philippine Air Force. Let's get to know the aircraft, each of these 3 medium tactical transport aircraft. 1. C-27J Spartan. The C-27J Spartan is a military transport aircraft developed and produced by the Leonardo Aircraft Division, formerly Alenia Aeromacchi until 2016. This is a continuation of the previous G.222 Alenia Aeronautica Spartan C-27A service in the U.S., equipped with engines and various other systems that are also used on the larger Lockheed Martin C-130J Super Hercules. In addition to the standard transportation configuration, a special variant of the C-27J has been developed for maritime patrol, search and rescue, C-3ISR, command control, communication, intelligence, surveillance and reconnaissance, fire support and electronic warfare missions. In 1995, Alenia and Lockheed Martin began discussions to improve the G.222. Alenia used the C-130J glass cockpit in a more powerful version of the G.222 T-64G engine and 4-blade propeller. In 1996, a program began with a better G.222, named C-27J, which used the designation of U.S. military types based on the C-27A G.222 designation. In 1997, Alenia and Lockheed Martin formed Lockheed Martin Alenia Tactical Transport Systems (LMATTS) to develop the C-27J. The design changed to use the Rolls-Royce A2100 C-130J Super Hercules engine and a 6-blade propeller. Other changes include the fully digital MIL STD-1553 system and avionics architecture, and an updated cargo compartment to improve equality. The C-27J has a range of 35% increase in cruising speed, 15% faster than G.222. By 2005, the U.S. Army had identified the need to replace its aging short C-23 Sherpa lifter, in lieu of adequate fixed-wing airlift availability. The CH-47 helicopter fleet was being worked hard on that last tactical mile to supply forward-placed troops, thus the U.S. Army sought the C-27J for its direct support capabilities, and to reduce demands on the CH-47 fleet. In 2006, LMATTS was dissolved when Lockheed Martin offered the C-130J in 2006 as a contender in the same U.S. Army and U.S. Air Force Joint Cargo Aircraft (JCA) competition, in which the C-27J was competing. Alenia Aeronautica then paired with L3 Communications, forming the Global Military Aircraft Systems (GMAS) joint venture to market the C-27J. Boeing also joined GMAS. In October 2006, Italy accepted delivery of the first C-27J of an initial batch of 12 aircraft. In December 2013, an Italian C-27J was deployed to the Philippines to participate in international humanitarian relief operations. The Italian Air Force is also the launch customer for the MC-27J, an armed gunship and special mission variant of the C-27J. Italy is the first European nation to operate such an aircraft. 2. C-295M. The C-295M is a ADS CASA, now Airbus military, twin-turboprop transport aircraft developed by the former Construcciones Aeronáuticas SA CASA, a founder member of the EADS company based in Madrid. The new C-295M is a stretched derivative of the CN-235 transporter, with a characteristic high-wing, rear-loader design. The aircraft is noted for its short takeoff and landing capability on semi-prepared runways and for the large payload capacity of 9,250 kilograms. The landing and takeoff run of just 320 meters and 670 meters allow the aircraft access to runways close to operational or crisis areas or where supplies and troops are needed. CASA announced the aircraft in June 1997 at the Paris Air Show at Le Bourget, and the first production C-295 made its first flight in 1998. The aircraft was granted into certification for military operations and EGAG and FAA FAR Part 25 certification in 1999. In 1999, the Spanish Ministry of Defense placed a contract for 9 C-295M transport aircraft. The aircraft entered service with the Spanish Air Force in November 2001, and delivery of the aircraft was completed in 2006. A further 2 aircraft were ordered in 2005, 2 in 2006 and 2 in 2007 to bring the fleet to 15. A total of 208 C-295 aircraft have been ordered by 28 countries as of December 2018. Of this total, 168 aircraft have been delivered and 166 are in operation. The flight deck is fitted with dual controls for the pilot and co-pilot. The aircraft is equipped with fully digital integrated top-deck avionics suite supplied by Thales. The displays, including 4 152mm by 203mm 6 inches by 8 inches Thales color liquid crystal displays, are compatible with night vision goggles (NVG). The Maritime Patrol variant MP Persuader can be fitted with EADS CASA FITS mission system. Aircraft for the UAE Navy are fitted with FITS, which consists of 4 multi-function consoles and integrates data from sensors including search radar, forward-looking infrared, FLIR, TV cameras or other sensors. 2 head-up displays can also be fitted as an option. The communication suite includes 2 or 3 UHF, VHF radios, a single or dual HF radio and an audio control system. The C-295 is also fitted with a cockpit voice recorder, CVR, identification friend or foe, IFF, system, the flight data recorder, FDR, and an emergency locator transponder, ELT. A dual Thales flight management system is fitted in the aircraft, which is controlled using 2 multi-function controller display units, MCDU, dual air data units type ADU 3000. Dual attitude heading and reference systems, AHRS-2 radar altimeters radar, and an optional Honeywell ground proximity warning system. Other navigation equipment includes 2 multi-mode receivers, MMR, 2 automatic direction finders, ADF, 1 direction finder, DF, and 2 distance measuring equipment, DME, units. There are also 3 possible configurations for long-range and autonomous navigation, 2 integrated inertial navigation and global positioning systems, INS GPS, 2 GPS or 2 GPS plus 1 INS GPS. The Honeywell RDR-I400C color weather radar has search, beacon and vertical navigation ground mapping modes. Portuguese Air Force C-295s are fitted with Northrop Grumman and APN 241 color weather radar. The aircraft can be fitted with alternative communications and navigational systems to suit the customer country's operational requirements. Optional equipment includes an enhanced terrain collision avoidance system, TCAS, tactical air navigation, TACAN, Category 2 instrument landing system, a microwave landing system and satellite communications. The aircraft is powered by 2 Pratt & Whitney Canada PW127G turboprop engines, each rated at 1,972 kilowatts and at 2,177 kilowatts with auto power reserve. The engines drive 6-bladed composite propellers, type HS568F5 developed by Hamilton Sundstrand. The blades, of 3.89 meters diameter, have auto-feathering and synchrophasing. The aircraft carries a 7,700 L fuel load, giving a maximum range of 5,630 kilometers. It can be equipped with an optional probe for probe and drogue refueling, so the range can be extended by in-flight refueling. 3. CN-235-220 aircraft. CN-235-220 aircraft, multi-purpose aircraft. This aircraft can carry 48 passengers and is used for several missions ranging from reconnaissance, maritime patrols, and the transport of armed forces. This aircraft has several advantages, including quick-change configurations that can be used for military and civilian purposes, private aircraft, medical evacuation, and cargo transportation. The cockpit is made entirely of glass. This aircraft also has a wide-open rear ramp door. The maximum load when the aircraft takes off reaches 16,500 kilograms, while the weight of the load that can be carried is 5,200 kilograms. This aircraft has 977 meters short takeoff landing (STOL) capability, plus or minus 11 hours endurance, and multi-hop capability fuel tank technology that allows the aircraft not to need to refill fuel to continue flight to the next route. Features of this aircraft include accommodating 49 soldiers or 34 paratroopers, the concept of wide-body and pressurized cabin, high technology for higher lift and lower obstacles, short takeoff and landing, STOL performance, can take off and landing on unpaved platforms, easy loading and unloading through rear ramp doors, high flexibility mission and fast change configuration, advanced flight deck technology, strong design, high reliability and easy maintenance, economical fuel consumption. The usefulness of this aircraft can include Army transportation, dropping paratroops, maritime patrol aircraft, anti-submarine warfare, goods logistics transportation, and medical evacuation of air shipment.